Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. I'm going to show you a simple recipe for delicious collard greens. Collard greens are best when they're in season, which starts in November and runs throughout April. I have 3 bundles of collard greens from the grocery store. They do cook down quite a bit, so duplicate this recipe to suit the needs of your family. First, I like to go through all the leaves, checking for bugs and random debris. Then I break the stem off right at the bottom of the leaf. Once you've inspected the leaves and snipped the stems, make small stacks with the leaves. Now, take a stack of the leaves, roll them, and cut 1/2 inch slices to the roll. These are from the grocery store, so they were pretty clean already, but you'll want to wash through them at least twice just to make sure. Now we are ready to cook. In a large pot, pour in 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Turn the heat up to high, and now add your collard greens. You'll see how fast they cook down. You'll need to stir them really well to make sure that all the greens have been coated with the seasoning. If you see that you need more water, you can add 1/2 to a cup additional at this time. Reduce the heat to a slow simmer. Place the lid on the pot and cook for 1.5 hours, checking every 30 minutes. Stir and add water as needed. Once they're done, you will have a delicious pot of healthy greens with some of the best pot liquor cornbread ever met. Thank you for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Be sure to like this video, and if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. See you next time.